have rage in my veins, I am scared of rejection, and I hold in my feelings. I am the product of two gay parents who are not always accepted in this world, but chose to accept me into theirs. I am not a disappointment.
Talk about the beauty and the ugly, and all in the same poem, all in the same day. It's like such an emotional moment. I hope that it inspires everyone to pick up the pen and find their own voice. I like to say that everyone's got a song, they just gotta learn the lyrics.
On February 26 to March 2nd, 2018, about 400 students, parents, and teachers attended the first slam poetry events at Kalama Intermediate and Lahaianluna High School.
It was really, really powerful for me to see kids just really step outside their comfort zone and just be a performer and showing their truth and their emotions. It was amazing.
But these days were the culmination of weeks of workshops, practice, and learning about the value of poetry.
This has been such an amazing experience that I am so grateful for these young people who came and shared with us. They're really, really vulnerable stories that can't be easy to tell, let alone write, let alone share with a gym full of 400 people. So I have extreme gratitude and kind of like awe for these young people.
I learned that words have meanings in everything that you say and that you're able to speak what you really mean.
If I were in charge, I would make both of my older siblings to finish college so my family can be together again.
The value of the poetry workshop is something where it allows the students to have a voice. It can be combined with curriculum, so they can take what they're learning and they can kind of go into the spot of their brain where they're incorporating the left and right side of the brain, and they turn that curriculum into something personal.
I think spoken word poetry lends itself to public speaking, it lends itself to persuasive writing, expository writing, and it lends itself to, I guess, building leaders and cultivating an atmosphere and generation of people that can speak for themselves.
In the process, the students have learned something beyond their poems and performance.
What I learned about the poetry was that using writing to express how I feel really helps me, and that we don't always have to hold in our feelings, that like saying how we feel about everything can really help you get through everything.
The value of a poetry workshop allows them to heal. It allows them to talk about stuff that's going on in their life. And the more that we can bring this into the schools, I think the safer the schools will become, because the kids will find that there's a way to express what's going on and what they're dealing with through spoken word. And that to me is such a powerful thing to see.
I've already been asked by several teachers, so what is going to be our follow-up? You know, where do we go from here? And so I think maybe that's something we can work together in the future.
I would say that the value to this is giving kids an opportunity to explore some type of passion. This gives them an opportunity to reflect on where they are in their lives, and I think it gives them an opportunity to really discuss things that really matter to them, that are meaningful to them.
This program was supported via consultation and funding by the Maui Arts and Cultural Center, the County of Maui, Department of Education, and Youth Speaks. If you are interested in participating, please have your teachers or administrators contact Chadwick Pang, Education Director at the Maui Arts and Cultural Center.